Nice to meet you. Today, I'll walk you through the latest 2026 version, from how to sign up on Bybit using your mobile phone, to how to trade futures, explained step by step in an easy way. Let's get started. First, I'll explain how to sign up for Bybit. Please install the Bybit app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the Bybit app. Tap the Sign Up Login button at the bottom of the screen to begin the registration process. Tap the Sign Up button in the top right corner. First, select your nationality. Next, tap the Register Now button. Create your ID using either your email address or mobile phone number, whichever you prefer. Next, tap the Referral Code button. In the Referral Code input field, please enter BB333. By entering this code, you can receive a 20% trading fee discount and bonus rewards on Bybit. Be sure to enter the code before completing your registration. After entering BB333, you will see that exclusive rewards have been applied. Check the box to agree to the terms below. Then tap the Sign Up Now button. Slide the puzzle to the right to complete the verification. Next, proceed with email or mobile verification. Now, set your password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Once the setup is complete, tap Sign Up Now. Your Bybit ID has now been successfully created. Next, I'll explain how to complete KYC verification. To make deposits, withdrawals, and trades on Bybit, you must complete KYC verification. Tap the Verify My Identity button. Select your nationality. Then proceed with identity verification. From the document type list below, choose one form of identification to verify. I'll proceed using a passport. Tap the Continue button. Then tap Continue once again. Align your passport's information page within the camera frame, and take a clear photo without glare or shadows. Next, proceed with facial verification. Align your face within the camera frame, nod your head, and blink your eyes. After that, KYC review will take about 1 hour. And once the review is completed, your KYC verification will be successfully approved. Next, I'll explain how to set up secondary security authentication. First, on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. To set up security, select Security from the menu below. For secondary authentication, we'll set up Google Two-Factor Authentication, which is the most commonly used option. Tap the Enable button. Proceed with email or mobile verification. Once verification is complete, the following screen will appear. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After the download is complete, tap the Continue button in the Bybit app. A 16-digit key will then be generated in the Bybit app. Copy this key. Now open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, and select Enter a setup key. For code name, enter Bybit. And for your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from the Bybit app. A 6-digit code labeled Bybit will now be generated in the Google Authenticator app. Copy this 6-digit code, and return to the Bybit app. Tap Next at the bottom. Then paste the copied 6-digit code into the code input field. Once this process is complete, your secondary security authentication setup is finished. Second, I'll explain how to deposit funds into Bybit. There are several ways to deposit crypto into Bybit. In this video, I'll explain the on-chain deposit method. First, tap the Assets button at the bottom right of the home screen. In the Account menu, you'll see 2 wallets. Funding is the wallet for deposits and withdrawals, and Unified Trading is the wallet for trading. To deposit crypto, select the funding wallet. Next, tap the Deposit button. Then select Deposit Crypto. Now choose the coin you want to deposit. Most people use USDT because it has low fees and fast transfers. Next, select the chain type. Most users choose Tron due to lower fees. Once selected, a wallet address will be generated. Copy this wallet address. Now go to another exchange or a personal wallet where your crypto is stored. On that platform, tap Withdraw or Send. and select the on-chain withdrawal method. Next, select the coin you want to send to Bybit. The coin must be the same as the one selected on Bybit. In the address field, paste the wallet address you copied from Bybit. For network, select the same chain that you chose on Bybit. Now enter the withdrawal amount. Then tap the withdraw button. After a short while, the crypto will be successfully deposited into your Bybit funding wallet. Third, I'll explain how to trade futures on Bybit. To trade futures on Bybit, you must first transfer coins from your funding account to your unified trading account. First, select funding. Then tap the transfer button to move your coins. Set the transfer direction from funding account to unified trading account, and select the coin to transfer. Enter the transfer amount, then tap the confirm button. After a short time, the funds will be successfully transferred to your unified trading account. Now, to start futures trading, tap the trade button in the center of the bottom menu. Then select futures from the top menu. You'll now be taken to the futures trading screen. First, tap this button to select the coin you want to trade. Next, tap this button to set the margin mode. Isolated uses only the specified margin for the position. Cross uses all available margin in your account. If you're new to futures trading, the safer option is isolated mode. Tap the adjacent button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 100x. The higher the leverage, the higher the potential profit, but the liquidation risk also increases. If you're a beginner, lower leverage trading is strongly recommended. Here, you can see your available margin. Tap the button below to set the order type. Limit places an order at a specified price. Market places an order at the current market price. In this section, set your order price and quantity. Now tap this button to choose your position direction. If you think the price will rise, select long. If you think the price will fall, select short. Once the order is filled, tap the positions button at the bottom. You can now check the status of your open position. In this area, you'll see the following information. Unrealized P&L shows your current unrealized profit or loss. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price represents the current market price. Leak price indicates the liquidation price at which the position will be automatically closed. Tap the Set TPSL button to set your take profit and stop loss prices in advance. Finally, tap the Close By button to manually close your position. Market closes the position at market price. Limit closes the position at a specified price. Enter the closing price and quantity. Then tap Confirm. Your position will now be successfully closed. Today, I explained step by step how to sign up on Bybit Mobile, and how to trade futures using the latest 2026 version. If you have any questions or find anything difficult, please feel free to leave a comment anytime. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.